Hello dear all, welcome back. Today we will discuss about how to check the typology, and for this purpose first you need to digitize any area. If you have already digitized area, then we will check out the typology. Then you have to click here, create, then select it, then select the polygon. Here I am going to create one polygon. Okay, this one is created. Go here and save edits and stop editing. Okay, now we are going to check out the typology. For this purpose, where you created a database, here you click, here right click, and go to the new, and then here future dataset. Okay, here you type the name of the future dataset. Suppose it is land records. Click on next button. Here you need to select the coordinate system. I am going to select WGIS 1984 UTM zone 42N. Okay, click on the next button. Then click on the next button. Here you can see is the XY tolerance, that is in meter. That is 0.001, and after that you click on finish. In your data log you can see is that dataset are created by unnamed land records. Okay, the next step is that to right click on it and then go to the import the single feature class. Okay, here you need your feature class or shapefile for which you want to check topology. Drag it and drop here, and another way to click here and then click here, copy its directory, then paste here. This is the output location. You can define output future class. Here I am type land record. Okay, the next is hit the OK button. Okay, LR is created here. You can see that. Okay, the LR file is created here. Okay, make it hollow. Okay, the next step is that to right click on here on it and go to the new. Here are the options: feature class, relationship, terrain, network dataset, and topology. Select this one, topology. Okay, click on the next button, then next button. Here you need to select this one, check the dialog box, then click on the next. Then again click on next. Here you want to add rules. The two more common and the major rules for land record system for land-based digitization. Here the first rule is that must not overlap. Here the descriptions of the rules you can clearly see is that to avoid no existence between area in the same layer, the boundary of any void that does not exist is an error. Okay, click on the OK button. The first rule is added, that is must not have gaps. Then click on add button. Here select the second rule, must not overlap. Description is given here. You can also read it. Hit the OK button. You can see that the two rows are added. The next, then click on the next. Then click on finish. Here you can also see that cluster tolerance is 0.001. Okay, then hit the finish button. Okay, the new topology has been created. Would you like to validate it? Then click on yes. Okay, the topology are created here. You can see that. The next step is to drag down it. And do you want to also add all feature classes that are participate in land record topology to the map? Then click yes. Okay, you can see that where the red lines are basically topological errors in our layer. Okay, these red lines are topological errors. If you check it, then zoom it. You need to turn on if you are using base map, then you need to turn on your internet connection, then click here. Okay, the next step is that click here and check this tool named as Topology. Okay, this dialog box is appear here. The next step is click on Start Editing. Okay, this tool is visible here. Here is an error inspector. This one is fix topological errors, and the next one is validate, and this is validate in specific area. Shared features. Now we are going to error inspector, then click here. Here you are adding a two rules, must not have all gaps and must not overlap. Okay, first we are going to search this one. Select the rule must not have gap, then click on search now. Okay, these are all errors that are visible. Okay, click here and zoom to it. It is processing. Okay, this one is the error that appear in a black color. This is your gap error. It must contain any gap. Okay, and you can also check out must not overlap, then click on search. These are all error that contain must not overlap. Okay, how to correct these error? For this purpose you can click on fix topological errors, then click here. Okay, another way you can also delete these polygons and recreate it. Okay, thank you so much all of them.